It's absolutely growth and it's super growth. I've
Please
seen this
explain.
industry. I've seen this industry now for last 27 years. IT spends globally happen in waves. So the late 90s was about the Y2K wave. Then came the ERP wave or the SAP wave. Then came the digital wave. The last 5, 6 years, IT spend was all about SMAC, social media, digital analytics, and all of that. I think the next wave of IT spends over the next 10 years, where each and every company in the world will have to invest into it, is going to be generative AI. Any company not investing into generative AI and building use cases around that and executing it across their businesses will risk their survival 10 years out. And if the world is going to adopt AI and generative AI, then it is Indian IT companies who are going to provide solutions and are going to implement that. Be it, let's say, the largest market cap company of the world, let's say a Walmart or a Citibank or a UBS or the smallest of the companies. Each company will have to implement those solutions. And Indian IT companies will be enablers for that. So I see a strong pickup. I've already, in my conversation with senior managements and CEOs of a lot of Indian IT companies, they already started working on small pilot projects with larger companies because companies are experimenting and trying to figure out how to implement them across their business functions. And it's a matter of time before these projects scale. So I see a new wave, beginning of a new wave in IT spends, and probably which will continue for the next decade or so, and which will become a very big growth driver for IT services globally. And Indian companies, when it comes to IT services, Indian companies clearly dominate the global space because of our low cost offshoring model. So I see a new growth curve emerging for all the IT services companies globally.